Hello everybody, welcome back to Key Creations. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you for joining us and I hope you will return. So for today guys, we're going to do something really simple and easy. We are going to make a door swag, not a door swag, excuse me, a door hanger or a wreath, or this can also be used as tabletop decor. So we're going to use this gift box here from the Dollar Tree to make our little door hanger. And so I usually tell you all the supplies you're going to need in the beginning, but I'm going to tell you the supplies that we're going to use as I go along. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I've already placed like a plastic bag here down inside the box. And so that's just to kind of fill it up a little bit so I can give my florals and everything a little bit of height. And so I put like 4 plastic bags. It's just Walmart or Dollar Tree bags, plastic bags in there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take some of this foam, and this is from Dollar Tree. The little foam is from Dollar Tree, and it was like in a pack, and it had four of these pieces here. So we're going to take those and just put them right here on top of the plastic bags. Okay, just set it in there like that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, and that's just to give us a little bit of height. And so I have these florals here, and these are from Dollar Tree. And so all we're going to do is we're going to take our wire cutters and we're just going to snip them off like this. And we'll be placing them inside the little gift box. I have these light pink flowers, and I have some white ones too. So we're just going to start by placing our flowers down in there. And so we cut them off the stem, and so we'll just start placing them in there, sticking them down into the foam, just wherever you want to place them. And we're going to pull these leaves up. So I don't have many of these white ones here, so but we're just going to do it like that. Just place them in there. Wait a minute. So now that we have all of the flowers on there, and I mean you can add as many as you want to or as little as you want. It's just all up to your preference. So we have our little picks here, our heart picks, and we're just gonna start sticking these anywhere. And like I said, just put as many as you want or as less as you want. It's up to you. But you know they have the Dollar, and these are from Dollar Tree. You know they have the they have red ones too. But I didn't see any red ones at my Dollar Tree. But we'll just go around and just stick them in there like that. So we have that, and also I have these little red hearts here, and I got these from Dollar Tree too. So we are going to take these. Now these are like they're not on like a stick or anything, so I have to add it. So I learned this little trick from watching Ramon at Home. And he always says save your little stems from your florals. Just save them, and you can use them as picks. So I've saved some of them, and so all I got to do is just stick it through the bottom of the heart, and you know you have your little pick here. And so these are kind of small, so let me kind of put these in the front here. Okay, and so we'll take another one, and that's a great idea. And so I got the hearts on there. And so I also have this little this heart here, and this is from Dollar Tree, and it says "You are so loved." Now it came with this little black wire to hang it with, but I took that off, and so what I did was I put one of those thicker stems and I glued it to the back of this heart here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that heart right, let's see, I think I was going to make, well, we'll see what side is going to be the front. But anyway, I'm going to stick it down here in the middle, like so. Put out just a bit so you can see it, okay, like that. And so the next thing we're gonna do is, okay, it has this little ribbon hanger, this little ribbon on here, and so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this off because it's not gonna be long enough to try to hang it from. So we're gonna cut that off. And what I did instead was I took this ribbon, and this is Dollar Tree ribbon here. So it looks like this, you know, so it only has the design on one side. So all I did was folded it like in half and glued it together. And so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to glue it to each side. The next thing that I started doing was, if you can see here, I put pieces of mesh in there to kind of fill in those spaces. And so I did it for the front and for this side. I'm going to do it for the sides here. I did this side, and so I'm going to do it for this side too. But also I want to tell you, you know, this is, I'm not giving this to anyone. This is going to go on my door. So I'm not going to do the back side and put mesh on the back side because it's going to be hanging towards the door. But if you guys are, you know, would want to give this something like this as a gift or whatever, go ahead and finish the back side, you know, put the mesh around the back side too. But you know, so what I did was I did a little ruffle. I cut this about 20 inches, and I did a little loose ruffle and put the pipe cleaner around it. And all I'm gonna do is just tuck it here in the side. Now I'm just tucking it in. Now you can actually do like we did these red hearts and take a piece of like a stem that you have left over, or you can use like a little dowel or a little stick or whatever, and you can actually put that mesh on there, you know, just glue it there, glue it together or whatever, and stick it down in there so it can go into the floral foam. Okay guys, so I just came outside to hang it, the little door hanger on my door outside, but my door is covered, you know, so it's not really exposed to, like, you know, the elements like that. So, but actually I'm not gonna leave it hanging on my door outside. I'm gonna put it on my craft room door, or maybe in the kitchen, just something a little different. And I realized I don't have like enough flowers on there and stuff, so I may go back and fill it in a little bit. But just a little different idea, something that's quick and easy to do. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and have a blessed day.